Simple and delicious spaghetti. Hello, friends. Today, we will make spaghetti. We need spaghetti, tomatoes, salt, oil, and water. First, we fill a pot with water. We add some salt and oil to the water. We boil the water. Next, we put the spaghetti in the boiling water. We cook it for 10 minutes. Then, we drain the water from the spaghetti. We wash the tomatoes and cut them into small pieces. We put the tomatoes on the spaghetti. Our spaghetti is ready. We can eat it for dinner. It is simple, tasty, and fun. Enjoy your spaghetti.